In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Quora subscription. Whether you signed up for Quora Plus or a paid space and now want to stop being charged, I'll walk you through the exact steps on the desktop site so you can manage or cancel everything in one place. First, open your web browser and go to the Quora homepage. Make sure you're logged into the account that actually has the subscription you want to cancel. If you have multiple accounts or use different sign-in methods, it's worth double checking that you're in the right one. Otherwise, you won't see the correct billing information. Once you're on your Quora dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or a small circle with your initial. Click on that. This opens a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. Things like your profile, bookmarks, and settings. We're interested in the area that controls your account details. From that drop-down menu, click on the option labeled Settings. This will take you to a dedicated settings page where all your account preferences are grouped together. It may take a moment to load, so just wait until you see the full list of options appear. On the settings page, look at the left-hand side. You'll see a vertical list of categories such as account information and privacy. Find and click on Subscriptions and Billing. This is the section where Quora keeps everything related to your paid plans and payment methods. If you don't see it immediately, scroll a little down that left column until it appears, then select it. After you click Subscriptions and Billing, the main panel on the right will update. Here, you'll see separate sections for different types of paid content. Typically, you'll find a section for Quora Plus subscriptions, another for any paid spaces you follow, and an area for your saved payment methods, like credit or debit cards. Within the Quora Plus section, you should see an option to manage or cancel your Quora Plus subscription. Click that, then confirm the cancellation when prompted. Quora will usually tell you if you'll keep access until the end of your current billing period. Next, if you have any active space subscriptions, look for those in the Spaces section and repeat the process. Open the subscription details, choose to cancel, and confirm. Finally, if you no longer want Quora to store your payment details, go to the Payment Methods area and remove any save cards or payment options shown there. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully managed and, if you chose to, cancelled your Quora subscriptions and cleaned up your billing info.